Hello everyone, welcome to another lab. In this lab, we are going to connect a cable modem. Here is the scenario. You are working on a small office or home office network. You have just signed up for a cable internet access for the network. The cable company has installed the line into your home and given you a pre-configured modem for your network. Your task in this lab is as follows. So as it said, if you never set up network in your home, this is another interesting lab that you can practice how to set up. You got the router from the company or by yourself, which maybe need more configuration. But as it already mentioned, this modem is already pre-configured, so which means you don't really need to do anything beside just make connecting to everything. So that's what we are just focused on. We are just put the thing together. So let's start with the first instruction. It say connect the component to make the internet connection. The first thing is add the cable modem to workstation. So where we got that from, as we do all the time, it should be under inventory. Okay, so we have to get that from the network device and we grab that up here. The second instruction is connect the modem to ISP cable line using RJ6 coaxial cable. So most of the time, the lab doesn't really give you exactly what you need to connect, but they maybe give you the number. You have to figure it out by yourself. Luckily, this one is just tell us, it's straightforward. So we don't need to look for something else. So that's the first thing that we have to do. So we have to go under cables and there's different type of cables listed down here. As the name is already mentioned, we have to look for coaxial cable. So if you click on that, you can able to see different connection side. So you have to turn the modem to back side to see all the connection. So you have to grab one of that, connect it to right here, this side, and then grab the other one and make sure you plug that one to your wall. Okay, that's exactly where it connects to the IPS or Internet Service Provider network. So the network from there to here is just inside your home. Anything behind the wall is actually connect to the Internet Service Provider network. After we're done with that, so now we have to move to connect the computer to cable modem using Cat6a internet cable. Again, this is a straightforward lab. Maybe some of it, as I said, it's not like this. You have to figure out everything by yourself. So how we do that? So for one side, we have to connect to the modem. The other side, we have to connect to the back of computer. So you have to, if you already did and there's no cable anymore, so the way you can bring back that is you have to click on this cable again, and the other side is pop up. As you see, one is already connected and the other side, which is not connected, is right there. So you have to plug that to here. If you plug it right here, this one is not RJ45, this RJ11. So make sure you plug to the top one. After that, use the AC DC power adapter to plug in the modem. So again, this lab is not complicated because everything is just straightforward. There's only one thing that is not the challenging thing, but it's just like for education purpose. If you understand this and apply it into your office or in your environment or your house, that will be great. So we just plug that to all and then plug the other side to actually the modem, okay? And then check the computer to confirm that it properly connect to the internet. All right, so after that, we have to turn the computer to front, but as we already see, it's already displaying over there. And then we can turn it the modem to front side actually. As you see, we're already receiving the light. That is light for power and the light for network. So that's the good sign. And if we click on the computer, we can able to see that the internet is already connected, because if you offer your mouth over there, it said internet access. So that is indication of the internet is actually working. So as we all the time do, the only way that we confirm we are done with this lab is if we score correctly, because we already followed the instruction. We believe that we did everything correctly, but in order to confirm that, we have to score the lab. Let's do that. Here we go. As you see, we successfully done everything correctly, and we score 100%. As all time, thank you for watching and see you in next lab.